Hello guys, welcome back. How are you? So let me clear that how I have started. To be honest, I almost tried to translate the sentences in English. Although my mother tongue is Bengali or Hindi, whatever, it doesn't matter. I always use the sentences to translate in English, and it's the main point. And always I try to think in English whatever I think. The second thing is writing, reading, etc. It will help you a lot. Okay, so it's depend on you that how you will start. Okay. So the major part is that thinking. You have to think in English always, and you can try to speak with yourself only in front of the mirror. Okay, and try to speak with your friends. It doesn't matter how you will speak. Maybe your English will like broken English, so it doesn't matter. Just try to speak. Okay, because I know that sometimes you will feel hesitation, but hesitation never stop anyone. It's normal that someone feel hesitate while speaking English because English is not our mother tongue, and even not in my case. So I always use to speak in English with my friends, with my colleagues, whosoever. It doesn't matter. Just try to speak in English a little bit. Let's start from the small sentences, and then you will. I hope you will reach at the stage of high level, C1 level or C2 level, because it is not possible to start at the higher level. So you have to start at the lower level. Okay. So try to speak and just learn the new words, learn the new sentences, like my pillars, as I said to you in my previous videos. It depends on you how you start. You can use online apps like ChatGPT or any AI tools to improve your English. Also, you can read newspapers. If you feel hesitation while you speak, then start it from the younger ones who are younger than you, because it doesn't matter when you will speak with them. Only it's help you to improve your English. So I hope you guys support me, and thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment and share my videos. Okay, thank you so much. See you again.